Good morning, day 8 in Hawaii. That rainstorm that was supposed to come last night was just a sprinkle, but we got a hell of a lot of wind. Brandon O'Neill's tent blew away twice, or collapsed in a way, so they had to reinforce it around a tree. My Nemo stood strong though, attaboy. Well, there's supposed to be some actual rain coming within the hour for most of the day, but the rest of the week is looking really solid for weather. So we're thinking just maybe spend a day in town, maybe watch a movie, or go check out some other stuff like that that's indoors, and then we'll go to Kona for dinner to have some pizza and some brews. And then the rest of the week will be some actual outdoor stuff. Relaxing for now. The weather looks great looking out over the ocean, but I think up in the hills not looking so good. So it's coming, and it seems like if it's anything like this wind, it's going to be pretty forceful. So I battened down the hatches, threw some extra rocks on top of my stakes and pounded them in harder, redug some trenches to reinforce them, and hopefully the tent should be fine. We'll see how it happens. One thing's for certain though, it's a hell of a view to wake up to. Ooh, baby. All trenched up. Got the side going out, the whole back funneling to the side, and an alternate escape out here. Got another side trenched out to here, definitely lower elevation, and then even some off of the vestibule so they can jump off. So rain comes down on the tent, falls in, hits its low point, and then funnels out so that it doesn't sit underneath the tent, under the ground cloth, and get everything wet. So that's the theory anyway. Whether it actually works, it remains to be seen. I mean, it's worked dozens of times when I've done it. It's just every time I do it, it's, who knows if this storm is going to be sideways, who knows if it's going to even go the right way, but the physics is all correct. So we'll see how it goes. Ooh, rainy day activities. Let's check out the aquarium. Waikiki. I don't know why Finding Nemo was such a big deal. He's right there. Like, I found him immediately. I actually found 2 of them, so like, we can skip 2 movies now. Yeah. That's cool. There's some big fishies in here. It's a sealy poo. Just chilling. And next stop on the rainy day activities list is the outdoor mall, which is apparently the largest outdoor mall in the US. How fun! I don't have a story to tell, I just wanted you to see a picture of my 2 good dogs. Next on the rainy day schedule was some shave ice. I'd take a video, but I ate it pretty quickly. Grape, orange, pineapple. Decent stuff, decent stuff. Let's keep that rainy day fun going with a trip to the movie theater. Avengers Endgame. Free refills on movie popcorn. Heck yeah, baby. $6 and as much popcorn as you want. And butter and salt. So we just got out of Avengers Endgame. I have no idea what happened. I don't understand half the references, but they had fun, so it seems like it was a good movie. A lot of entertainment, people fighting, or things fighting each other out of... There's a lot of things blowing up, so that has to count for something. But now we're doing something that I understand fully. Eating. Welcome to Kona Brewing Co. So I think I'm going to get a Flight-O beer and some food and enjoy sitting out by the bay. Bam, how about a little bit of za? Ooh, baby. Beer and pizza. You know I'm in heaven now. So we are back to camp now. Lots of leftovers to bring back. That pizza was filling. So many toppings, but very good. So Kona Brewing Company, I now know that they make really good pizza and really good beer. I've been having their beer for a couple weeks now. Just it's been one of the bigger brands in the stores, Kona Brewing Company. So I've been enjoying that, and they have a really good selection. So it's nice. Well done. So very full. Getting kind of tired actually, but I'm gonna reserve some energy for a little walking along the beach. Brandon and Nia went off on a little romantic beach jaunt, so I'm left on my own. But while I'm left on my own, this cool guy that's in the camp next to us just invited us to come along on a hike that he is guiding tomorrow morning to a waterfall. So I personally think we should take him up on the offer just to see what he's bringing people to. So I think we might be going on a waterfall hike tomorrow. If not, we'll be going on the regularly scheduled hike that Brandon and I are planning on doing, which I believe is elevation. So climbing to the top of something with a really good view. Tough decisions. Waterfalls, views. How about both? We'll see if I can convince Brandon to do it. When O'Nea's back at camp, the boys can finally come out and play. Well, I went to go change into I guess just a little less clothes just to hang out, and I passed out. So that is the end of day 8. Join me again in the morning for some hikes, actual hiking, nature, waterfalls, stuff, maybe. Exciting. So thanks for joining me, and see you tomorrow.